Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make money using apps that pay you up to $25 over and over again. So you can make money with your phone, guys, okay? And you can make money very fast this way. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you apps that pay up to $25 over and over again. So there's going to be 3 apps I'm going to show you today, guys. This is going to be easy and fast, okay? And you're going to be using your smartphone, so this could apply to a lot of people out there. And you're going to be earning cash via PayPal, guys, okay? Or directly deposit it into your bank account. So you're going to get cash no matter what, guys, okay? So you're not going to be earning any rewards, any points, any coins, or anything like that to redeem or anything like that, okay? It's just going to be cash, guys, okay? And then I'm going to show you a ninja method that's going to really make those amounts over and over again, guys, okay? So let's get to them. All right, guys, so the first app I'm going to show you is Dosh, and you can find this at dosh.cash, okay? You'll get to this site if you go dosh.cash. And you see there's 2 buttons on here for the iTunes store or the Apple store and the Google Play store. So that means it's for iOS phones and Android phones. So it's for everybody, guys, okay? But how you earn is this is a cash back app, meaning that once you set this up, guys, it is cash to you automatically, okay? So you just got to set up your account, put in your credit or debit card, and then you could go shopping at like your usual, and then you're going to be earning cash back automatically in this account. It is amazing, this Dosh app, okay? Lots of people use it, and not a lot of people know there's this other feature that you should use to make more money with it. Let me just go through this app right now real quick, okay? Introducing Dosh, the easiest money you've ever made. Connect your cards. Securely link credit or debit cards. Whenever you pay with your linked cards, Dosh gets you cash back. Shop and dine out. Pay with your linked card at thousands of stores and restaurants. Get up to 10% cash back automatically in your Dosh wallet. And here is the ninja tip, guys. This is the way to really expedite your earnings, guys, okay? You get paid to refer, and you really don't know the power of this once it gets going. So you can literally just make money doing shopping as you are usually, or you could refer it to other people, and you could earn $5 for everyone who signs up and links a verified card, okay? But you don't get the $5. So right now, if you want to sign up and get $5, you should use my link underneath the video description, or else you won't get $5 when you set up your account, okay? So you do want to use my referral link in the video description. And then how you get your money is you just go and transfer your cash to your bank account, to your PayPal, or donate to charity, okay, guys? This is how easy it is for you guys to use Dosh app, okay? It is very easy. And then the reviews on this app is insane, okay, guys? Over 100,000 reviews at 4.7. You cannot get much better than this, guys, okay? This is an amazing review app, all right? And so is here on the Google Play Store, is also very highly rated with almost 40,000 people rating this. That means there's a lot more people using these apps, this one particular app, guys, okay? So this is an amazing way for you guys to really generate money here, okay? So this is the next one, Cash App. So this Cash App could do a lot of things, guys, okay? And I need to go, so their website doesn't really have much information. Basically, it just gives you the 2 stores to install, because this is really an app for your phone. And so I'm going to show you what this app does, okay? So this app, so I'm here on the Apple Store, and it's, again, look at this, really highly rated, okay, guys? I'm not showing you garbage here, okay? I'm showing you like the #1 apps to use, okay? So this is #1 in finance, meaning this app can be used on many different ways, and it has to do with your money, guys, okay? So you have over like almost 300,000 people reviewing, meaning there's millions of people installing this app, guys, okay? At 4.6, that's a very high rating for all these people rating it. I just gotta stress this, okay? So let me see. Let me go through what this app does, okay? It is the easiest way to send, spend, and invest your money. So this is everything to do with how you use your money, how you invest your money, okay? It is safe, fast, and free money app, okay? So safe, you could protect all your payments with Face ID or Touch ID or whatever kind of code you want to use, security on your phone. Because these two, I believe, is only, I'm not sure what Android phone though. Sorry, I only have the iOS phone, and it's fast. You're gonna sign up it within minutes, and then you can start sending and receiving money from people. And then it's also free because this app is free. So how it works, you can sign up in seconds, and then you can send and receive cash instantly. You could get a custom Visa or debit card. You could get instant discounts with this app as well. If you use their cash card, is the only free debit card with instant discounts at your favorite store. So if you use their card, you get instant discounts when you're using that card. And then you could buy and sell Bitcoin with this app, and you could also buy and sell stocks instantly for free with the Cash app. So you could buy as little as $1 of stock in any top US companies, guys, okay? So this is a great way for you guys to start investing in something if you want to check this out. And then you can have your paychecks deposited into your Cash app, guys. So this is a way for you to manage your money, basically. And if you refer other people, you could both earn $5 each, okay? So again, my referral link is in the video description. Yeah, you do need the referral code to get yourself $5 too. So if you don't have this app already and you want to download it and you want to get $5 right away, you need to use my referral link in the video description, okay? So on the Google Play Store, it's not as highly rated here, but it has, I know, almost 120,000 people reviewing it. So this one is rated at 3.8. So it's the lowest we've seen so far. But iTunes Store or Apple Store is still very 4.6. And then, so guys, the last one I want to show you that pays $25 for each referral is right here at Rakuten, okay? Rakuten used to be Ebates, okay? Ebates.com. Now it's Rakuten.com. And they have two also apps. I mean, not two apps. They have their own app available, I mean, on the Google Play and Apple Store, okay? And so how this works is that this is a cashback shopping site, okay? So if you shop through their site, so it's a little bit different from Dosh. So Dosh, all you gotta do is link your debit or credit card, and then you could just go about your day and use your debit or credit card and go shopping and get cash back automatically, okay? That's all you gotta do with Dosh. But Rakuten, you actually need to shop through either their website or their app to earn cash back, okay? But I'm not just showing you this app just so that you can earn from shopping. No, I want you to start referring other people, because this is how you can earn $25 when other people start shopping through the site. So you need to be able to convince other people to shop through Rakuten as well, not just signing up, okay? So in order for you to grab that first $25, so here, this is the Refer and Earn program. You can spread the joy of cashback. Get $25 for every qualified referral. So how do you get it? So you refer a friend to Rakuten. They join and get $10 after they spend $25. You get $25. Repeat and earn more over and over again, guys. Okay? So this is what I mean. That this is a great way to earn even more, because the other two apps are only giving you $5 each. And actually, Dosh kind of, sometimes they give 10, sometimes they give 5. So right now they're at 5. But Rakuten, you get 25, okay? And they've been at this rate for a long time now, okay? But the person that you give this to, so when you are trying to get people to sign up, say, hey, you want $10 free to go shopping with, you could just sign up with my link and on this site, and you could get discounts and get cash back. So it's a win-win-win situation here, guys, okay? So they're gonna make some cash back when they shop through Rakuten, and then they're gonna make $10 once they spend 25 through the site, and then you're gonna earn $25 once they complete that transaction. So it's like 3 wins there, okay, guys? So you guys, in order for you guys to sign up for any of these apps, just look in the video description. You see the 3 links for these 3 apps, and I hope you get some quick money soon, guys, okay? Alright, guys, so these 3 apps, you can definitely earn some good money this way. And if you can, save that money, guys. Save that money and invest in yourself, and use workanywherenow.com/best and learn some online skills that can make you massive amount of money, guys. Some real income that you can rely on, and maybe even quit your job. Oh, yes, it's so possible, guys, to make a real online income, but you need to learn from the right sources, and the right sources is at workanywherenow.com/best. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the other side. I hope you make big money soon, guys. All right, if you like this video, guys, I sure hope you did, guys. Come on, give me a thumbs up underneath this video, guys. And if you haven't already, why haven't you already? Please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come up with videos every single week, so get notified, okay? So I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.